Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to track fiber intake with MyFitnessPal new tools. So let's get started with the video. So basically the mobile app doesn't currently support the direct customization of track nutrition. So what you need to do is log into your website, and once you have logged in through the website, the next thing is you need to click on the three horizontal line at the upper left side, and after that you need to click on settings. Here you will find an option of diary settings. Click on this diary settings. In the diary settings section, you will find options to select up to 5 nutritions to track. From the drop down menu, you can choose one as fiber. So once you have set the another one as fiber, what you can do, after selecting this, you need to click on the save changes. You need to scroll down till the end, and once you have changed it, the same will apply to the application. Now you can again go to the application and track your fiber intake with the app. You can open the application, go to the more section, and here now you will find the option of nutrition. You can go here and you can track the fiber intake with the application. So this is how you can do that. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.